Happy holidays, everyone. ChatGPT just got a major upgrade, and this one actually changes how we create with AI. I can now take one single image or one prompt and generate a 3x3 grid of 9 different camera angles at the same time. Front view, side view, close-ups, wider shots, all in one generation. And the realism is on a completely different level. I can change her clothes, switch her hair, adjust the look, and she still looks like the same character in every single angle. No face drift, no inconsistencies. I'm not just creating images anymore. I can now build cinematic scenes and movie-style shots with the same character from different angles like an actual film workflow.
Say I'm fine, but love don't let go when it's been rewind. Your shirt smells different.
Thanks to ChatGPT's new image and video generator, creating with AI just got easier, faster, and way more cinematic. So starting on ChatGPT, what you're going to do is click the 2 little lines up in the left corner, and then you're going to click on images. This will bring you to a new part of ChatGPT, which is the video and image generator. As you can see, you can get really realistic with your avatars. You can also make movies on here, which I really, really love. Don't worry, I am going to show you how to do that. So what you're going to do is add an image of your avatar or character. Here's mine. And then you're going to describe the prompt. So I need a 3x3 grid, and I named all of the angles that I want to generate, and then I click generate. And now it's going to give me 9 different angles of my avatar, and it will look like this. Phenomenal, literally. Look at this. They all look like her, different angles. If you don't like these angles, you can change them if you want, but these are the angles that I used in the beginning. Here's the first image, and then this is the second image, and so on. Once you have all your images and you want to make the move, you take it over to OpenArt on your browser on your phone. Then you're going to click on video. Make sure you click on the image tool so that you can upload an image. Now select your model, which is going to be Kling01, which has the best generator right now. I love it. And it also has end frame. We don't need end frame today though. You're going to add an image, a prompt, and you're going to make sure you click on 5 seconds because it doesn't need to be that long, because you'll be switching angles. So you upload an image, upload a prompt, no end frame because you won't need one, and then you make sure that you click the duration for 5 seconds. Then you click create. Once you're done, you'll get something like this for the video. So she's talking, and the angle is the only thing that changed. Just like this video here, she's talking forward, the angle just changed. Once you're done, you're going to take them all over to Canva so that you can put them all together. Now, some of the videos are a little shorter because you're switching angles. You want to make it look cinematic, like we're changing the camera angle. And once you're done, you're just going to click export. And if you want to make her talk like I showed you in the beginning, take it over to sync.so, because even though her face is turned in different angles, it will still lip sync really good. So you click on create project, and then you're going to upload your video. I've showed you numerous times how to do this. You upload your video and your audio, and then you get this video here. ChatGPT just got a like major this. upgrade, and So this one she's changing actually angles, changes and how her we lips create still with match AI. the lip sync. I I can now love this tool for this. Now you're going to go back over to ChatGPT, and I'm going to show you how to do it with just a prompt. To get the 3x3 grid, you're just going to put in a prompt, which I will list in my community. And then you're going to click generate, and this is the outcome. So you get 3 different cinematic, consistent character angles, and they look amazing. Now I'm going to show you a trick how to get them so you don't have to use Canva or CapCut to crop them. What you're going to do is say extract image 1. Now you don't have to take it over to Canva and upscale or whatever else you need to do. And then you get the image. And then you can say extract image 2, all the way down to image 9, and you'll get all the images. They'll upscale and crop them, which I find super convenient, so you can go right into creating the videos of her. So as you can see, it looks just like her in the grid. And once you have all the images and you download them, take them over to OpenArt. So I showed you how to do this before. Make sure you're on browser and you're going to click on video. Once you click on video, make sure that you have image on and Kling 01. Once you have the image clicked and Kling 01, you're going to upload an image, and then you're going to upload a prompt like the last time. So it will look something like this. Here's your image, and then you're going to put in your prompt. Don't worry, it will be inside my community, all the prompts I'm using today. And make sure the duration is only 5 seconds. Then you're going to click create, and then you're going to get something like this. So she's walking in. She looks amazing. Do the exact same thing with this image as well. Make sure you put a prompt, and then you're going to click on 5 seconds, and then you're going to click on create, and then you will get something like this when you're done. She kind of breathes and exhales and then looks to the left. She looks gorgeous. Okay, so once you're done and you have all your videos, you're going to download them and take them over to CapCut. Then you're going to add them all together like I showed you in the beginning, but more in a cinematic movie trailer kind of thing. So I added music. If you like it, the link is in the description. So then I just add them in. Some are shorter, some are longer. I wanted to make it look really cinematic. And then I added the echoing heels of her walking in heels. And I just went down to the bottom and I clicked on audio, and then I clicked on sounds. And then in the search bar, I just put in heels walking. These are the common sound effects I usually use. And then when you find the one that you want, I want to make sure that the heels sound like they're echoing, like this one. And once you find them, you just add them in. If you're wondering how I made the music kind of fade in, you just click the music track and then click on fade right there at the bottom. And you can choose either the music to fade in or fade out. I made it fade in right after her heels clicked. And then I also did it at the end, but I made sure a black screen and her heels faded off along with the music. And that's how I created this video with a prompt. If you're serious about creating with AI, from cinematic characters and realistic avatars to full videos, angles, movements, and monetization, this channel is for you. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want deeper breakdowns, prompts, feedback, and behind the scenes help, join my community. That's where I teach everything I don't have time to cover here. Thanks for watching.